Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Hugging Face models directly inside VS Code using GitHub Copilot. This is super useful if you want AI to help while coding and testing models fast. So the first step, open VS Code here and go to the extensions section. In the extension section and search for the Hugging Face. You can see Hugging Face provider for GitHub Copilot is over here. Click install. Once that's done, then we will go to the GitHub Copilot chat. Now inside the GitHub Copilot chat, uh, looks for manage model options. You can see here is a manage model options. We click it. Now you have to click the add model section. In add model section, you can see Hugging Face and you have to select the Hugging Face. Okay, I have selected the Hugging Face, and inside the Hugging Face you can see a lot of chat models here, and we can like filter and use the specific chat models which we want, like lots of model like DeepSeek and Metas and Moonshot, OpenAI, a lot of Queen models. There are hundreds and hundreds of models and we can use it accordingly. Now let's search one model which we want. Okay, and for your information, you have to add API over here. I already had add my API here, so I don't have to add it again. Now in case if you don't have API key yet, no problem. You have to go to the Hugging Face API Inference. Okay, in this page you have to go to Hugging Face documents inference provider page, and in the inference provider page you can see here who are the partners for Hugging Face and which models are available over there. Now in case you don't have your API token, then you have to create it from here. Click your profile and click on the access tokens, and then if you don't have it, then tap create new, and after you create the token here, you just copy it and then bring the token here, and then here is one option to paste your token, and you have to paste it and add the model. Okay, for my case I have already pasted and added the model, so I already have everything over there. Now let's search for one model. Since I already have added the DeepSeek AI model and it's now chatting really well and it's giving the response, I have decided to go with the Queen model. Okay, so let's search for Queen anything. Okay, let's add the 7 billion model, make it visible here. If you make it visible from here, then it will appear here, and you can see it's appeared here. Now we click it and just give a response hello, press enter. Now let's see what it will say. It's summarizing the conversation history, and one thing you have to make sure that Hugging Face API do have very lesser limit. Okay, so you have to be very careful whenever you use them. They are just for the experimental purpose. Now you can see that our Queen 2.57 billion parameters model has given us the reply, and here it is. Try not to send unnecessary repeated requests. Test your prompts locally first, then call API. Okay. Choose smaller and optimized model when possible instead of using heavy models. Also, monitor your uses from your Hugging Face dashboard so you don't suddenly hit the limits. As you can see here, the hop rate limits are 3 per 1k requests. So you have to be extremely careful whenever you operate with Hugging Face and hitting every queries. If you use it smartly, then it's a very powerful tool for development, learning, and building real projects. That's it for today. Start experimenting, build something useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck.